Hey, this is Matt with Broadview Technology Solutions, and today I'm going to show you real quick in Windows 10, either Pro or Home versions, how to add a local user. First you click on the Start button, then you click on Settings, Gear icon, then proceed to click on Accounts. If you click on Family and Other Users, this is the sub-window you'll want to be at. This add a family member is typically something you'd want to use for children of yours that are going to use the machine. If you just want to have an older kid, you know, a late teenager or something, or another adult that you just want to keep all their desktop and settings separately, you know, this is a good idea to just have a separate user for them. You'll want to click add someone else to this PC. And then in the last couple years, Microsoft is trying to push everyone to create a Microsoft account, which is, it's got its pluses and minuses. You can look up the features online or benefits of having a Microsoft account if you want in Google pretty quickly, but typically I don't bother to do this. I just click on the I don't have this person's sign-in information, and then also one more time just to, you know, tell them no again. Add a user without a Microsoft account, and then you can add the username here. So just for giggles, I'll do user 1. And if you do not want a password, just leave these two blank and click next. If you do want a password for this person, enter it twice here and then click next. And then you'll notice it's added right here. Typically, like by default, you're going to see the user type is going to be a standard user. This is most of the time what you're going to want to use. If you want to allow this other user to add and remove programs and change system settings and even make changes to your account, then you can make them an administrator. 9 times out of 10, there's no need for this. You can just leave it at standard user, and that's that. Anyway, once they get logged on, they can hit Control-Alt-Delete and then change password to set their own password, or leave it like you entered it. Anyway, that's a quick 10-second summary, micro summary of how to create another user on your computer. Mind you, this does not typically work if you're in a domain type situation, like at a workplace, or if it's a company-owned computer. Sometimes this may not work. Anyway, if you got any questions, just leave them below or send us an email at sales@broadviewtech.com. Thanks, have a great day.